Hi, I'm Gaston, and today I'm here to present you my website, BIRD, which stands for Bird Informed Remote Divination. It's a webcam augury website, and I made this for the Esoteric AI thread. And I'm going to be showing you the website and taking you through the interaction. So we're going to be looking for the website. The first thing you'll see when you land on the website is the GDPR warning, which basically explains you what data the website records and how it works. This is kind of a necessary step for websites that record any type of data. So here you can see basically the window is divided in two. Got on the left the webcam and the choice of different webcams, and on the right you've got the interface which you will talk to the augur with. So the augur is the person who in ancient Greece or ancient Rome would have looked at bird signs to divine the future. But here it's more of a collaborative experience where you're meant to be the eyes for the augur, and they will ask you for information to be able to interpret and create your fortune. One little trick that the website has is that it's divided into esoteric mode and rational mode. So by default it's turned into rational mode, which shows you stock index, and in esoteric mode shows you little stars and recent bird sightings in your area. So I'm going to be choosing the northern albatross. So I don't know if you can hear on the video, but there's some birds. It's night time, and this is New Zealand. This is webcam by the Cornell Lab of Ornithology, and I can see some birds, so it should be interesting. So I'm going to ask the augur, will I find love soon? So it's going to ask me what I see and what I can observe in the birds. So as you can see the webcam, there's not a lot. There's a few birds crossing the screen, and one sleeping on the floor, and a few cries in the background. And it's created the fortune for me. So one of the things you'll notice is that the augur will speak differently depending on if you're in rational mode or esoteric mode. I'll leave you to see the differences. But one example is that it'll make up fake statistics to make its fortune seem more authoritative. And you can keep speaking to the augur to ask, what does this? That's basically it. So I'll leave you to go to the website and discover it on your own. Ask all kinds of questions and try to play around, try to break the website, and let me know what you think. Thanks a lot.